What is up, hunty? Yes, what's up, friend? So I got a little story for y'all today, and I'm gonna show y'all how I made this wig with a bang. With a bang. Okay, hunty. So yes, of course I am making this wig on a adjustable cap, hunty. Yes, periods. Y'all tell me why I started to start this wig and it was not on. Okay, so let me turn this on and go ahead and start putting this wig together. All right, so as I promised y'all, okay, story time, yes. All right, y'all. So my mom is like really talented at a lot of things, and hair is one of them, which is why I am already good at doing hair because I grew up seeing her do hair. She used to always do my hair, so she will always like try different styles and everything. And I would say she cut my bang about a good 3 times in my life. One of them I absolutely fucking hated. Okay. Now, before y'all ask me, do I cut my tracks? Yes, hunty, I cut my tracks because it makes it lay flatter. No, I do not have to worry about shedding because I know how to sew properly, which is something else that my mother taught me, who's a seamstress. Okay, hunty, period. I told you my mama good at everything. But yes, as long as the ends are tightened, you ain't gotta worry about none of that, okay? Yes, auntie, look at that stitching, period, okay? So after I'm done with that part, yes, of course, I'm gonna start wrapping everything around, wrap it around, sewing it. But let's get back to the story. All right, so as I said before, one of them times I really did not like when she cut a bang in my head, and it wasn't the bangs. The bangs were like bomb. They were like so freaking cute, but she also decided to put Bantu knots in my head. So, y'all, I didn't know what the hell Bantu knots were when I was little. I just knew that they was knots. A lot of the time when my mom used to put them knots in my head, I used to get to school and I used to take my hair down. And I used to get in trouble for that because she knew I would be playing in my hair and I would try to redo my hair once. I was like by the end of the day before she came back and she came and got me, okay? So the day she decided to put them Bantu knots in my head, which, girl, what? Tell me why this is so. Some little boy, some little nappy head, yellow teeth, dirty looking little boy. I guess he called himself liking me, but y'all know how little boys is when they like you and whatnot. When they little, they like to try to tease you and everything. Okay, so he called himself liking me, which I didn't know at the time, but whatever. Ew. But y'all, so he up there just get to teasing me as soon as I walk in the classroom. He just busts out laughing like, hey, Shay got them doo-doo balls on her head. Y'all, when I tell y'all I wanted to knock his fucking yellow ass teeth on the floor and make popcorn with that shit, like I was so fucking mad. Okay, let me tell you that right now. Let me tell you something right now. Don't nobody come for me about having my nails done on one hand and not the other, because I ain't gonna do nothing because I don't know who the fuck you is. But mind your fucking business, okay? Because I be busy, okay? I be in the middle of orders and trying to do my nails at the same time. Unless you gonna come do my nails for me, shut the fuck up. Okay, thank you. So, y'all, that little dusty ass little boy was not about to be talking about me all day, okay? So I went into the bathroom, took them damn knots out of my head, and y'all know Bantu knots make y'all hair curly. So I took the knots out of my head, and my hair is real curly, real cute, laid down. Girl, I come out the bathroom, this nigga decides to call me a motherfucking poodle, okay? When I tell you, I was so mad. I plotted on this little nigga all day. So when we got on to the playground, what, hunty? What? I waited, okay? Right, so I know y'all see me neatly putting this hair on here like a ring around the rosy, okay? Yes, hunty. Wigs come out flawless every time, period. All right, so y'all know like I'm light skinned as hell. So I be like, when I'm mad, you can tell that I'm mad because I get like red, okay? And Red used to be my nickname my mom gave me when I was younger, okay? But yes, like when I'm mad, like I turn red. So all my little friends just ask me like, Shay, what's wrong? What's wrong, hunty? You know, they ain't say hunty back then, but I'm just gonna insert that into there. But they like, what's wrong, hunty? What is wrong? And I'm just like, nothing. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. Y'all, this how I get like when I don't be want to talk to nobody and somebody make me mad. I do not like talking, okay? Okay, y'all, so with this little tiny piece that I got right here, I am definitely going to take that and make a miracle with it and then make my own closure, okay? And I'm going to do that by hand sewing that. So, yeah, just watch that part. But anyways, y'all, I'm just mad, just sitting there waiting at the door, waiting on this little ugly little boy to finish eating his little struggle meal because y'all, I went to DPS. DPS, y'all know what that is? That is Detroit Public School. Detroit Public Schools used to give kids struggle meals. They probably still do, but yes, auntie, they was feeding us Section 8 food, okay? But that ain't none of my business no more. But so y'all, I'm sitting there waiting on him to finish eating his little struggle meal, whatever, blah, 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 blah. Wait till this little boy get out onto the playground. So my friend calls him over like, yeah, you need to apologize to her. He like, I'm not saying I'm sorry to her. She like, why? You need to say you sorry to her. Y'all, next thing I know, my fist was going up this little boy butter popcorn teeth, okay? Because you ain't one thing about me, two things for sure. I do not fuck with these hoes, okay? So y'all's not about to be sitting up here talking about me, period. Yes, I used to fight little boys, okay? I used to be a tomboy, period. Oh, look at how that closure coming out, hunty, okay? Yes, alright. It's coming out nice, okay. So now, mind you, y'all, I had took my hair out, right? So by me knocking that little boy out, we both gets in trouble. Well, he got in trouble because I told him, I'm like, yeah, he was messing with me, blah, blah, this, blah, blah, that. And like, yeah, he came up to me acting like he was about to hit me, girl, lying. And I hit him back. So, of course, by then they done called my mama. Y'all, like, now, I used to stay about 4 blocks away from the school. So, when it's time for my mama to come into the school, she's coming up to that school, okay? So, my mom and I coming to the school, they're like, we gotta call your mama. So, I'm like, can I go to the bathroom? Can I go to the bathroom? Can I go to the bathroom? They're like, no, you cannot go to the bathroom. Y'all, look how nice this hair is. Okay, y'all, so it's definitely time for me to cut into the bangs. I'm gonna section this hair off, y'all, okay? Yes. And then I'm going to cut that bang. All right, y'all. So my mom was on her way up here. So I'm like, can I go to the bathroom? Can I go to the bathroom? Can I go to the bathroom? They're like, no, you can't go to the bathroom. You need to stay here in the principal's office. I'm like, don't nobody want to stay in this little sweaty principal office, y'all? Because, you know, DPS don't have none of that stuff. They don't have air conditioning. They don't have heat. No, nothing. Like, you want to be hot on a cold day. You want to be cold on a hot day. You going to be assed out, okay? Yeah, but y'all, to cut this bang properly, I am definitely about to sit here and twirl this hair. And I'm just going to start snipping. I learned this to my girl, Marisha. Yes, hunty, Marisha, a.k.a. Bless. The Bless Effect. Yes, y'all. Twirl, twirl, snip, snip, snip. Y'all, I used to do this a totally different way, but the way that she's taught me is just bomb, okay? So I'm going to use it. And I'm going to go ahead and flat iron this hair straight and finish telling y'all this story. All right, y'all, so then my mom come up to school, but not. And I'm like, y'all, can I go to the bathroom, please, 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 please? I got to use the bathroom. It's emergency. I want to pee on myself. Y'all, so I go to the bathroom. They let me go to the bathroom. And I fixed my hair to the best of my ability, y'all. Mind you, I'm like around about 9 years old. Y'all, I don't know how to do no damn hair at 9 years old. My little dumbass. So I'm trying to fix my hair like how my mama fixed my hair, knowing my mother is a professional, knowing that if you move something out of the way or you do something differently, my mother is going to notice, okay? It is what it is. So when she get up there, she don't care that I got in trouble. She don't care that I hit this little boy. She don't care what I hit this little boy for. Only thing she noticed is, what the fuck did you do to your hair? I'm like, I didn't do nothing. She like, what the fuck did you do to your hair? Y'all, we in the principal office, everything. I'm like, I didn't do nothing. She like, what? I know you changed your hair. This is not how your hair was before you left the house this morning. Now, y'all, guess what? So when I got home, I definitely got my ass beat for touching my hair, for messing with my hair, because I shouldn't have been messing with my hair, okay? Y'all, anyways, I still don't know how to do bantu knots to this day. All right, y'all. So I don't. It is what it is. All right, y'all. So fast forward now. Y'all remember that little dusty little boy that I said I knocked him in his little dusty little teeth because he got the nerve to be talking about my bantu knots that my mama did. Okay, you ain't gonna talk about nothing that my mama did. My mama does great work. Okay, even though I ain't like him like that, but it was still great work. Not looking back on it. But anywho, y'all, this little dusty little boy had a nerve to come into my inbox a couple weeks ago talking about some, oh, remember, we went to school together. Y'all, I be lying to people. So when somebody be like, and whenever somebody come up to me be like, ain't your name Shay? I be like, no, my name's Amber. I'm sorry, I don't know that person. They be like, didn't you go to such school in Detroit? No, I did not. I went to the school in the suburbs. Like, oh my God, like what? Girl, lie my fucking ass off, okay? Cause half the time I don't remember none of these motherfuckers that I went to school with. They be remembering me, but don't even know that I was high as fucking school, okay? So, yeah, girl, he got a nerve to come into my inbox talking about some, you remember me? You went to such school in Detroit, blah, blah, this, blah, blah, that. I'm like, no, I don't remember you. He like, yes, you do. You hit me when we was on the playground today. So he ha, laughing. I'm like, okay. I'm looking at the message like, it's not funny because I remember who you is. I ain't said this to him, but, I remember your little ugly ass. So he like, yeah, I still don't know what you hit me for. And I'm looking at the message like, you don't remember what I knocked your ass out for? Like, what is wrong with you? Like, I would remember if somebody knocked my ass out and what they knocked me out for. Like, come on now. Especially if I was a boy and I got knocked out by a girl, okay? So I proceed to tell her, I'm like, you know what? I remember, y'all. Look at them bangs. Y'all, I gotta fix that up. So I'm definitely about to go ahead and cut into this and turn my scissors right side up. Y'all, I use any type of scissors. So mind your business. They scissors, they work. Thank you. Anywho, all right, so y'all, he all in my inbox. I'm like, all right, you know what? I'm just gonna tell him that I know who he is. Like, yeah, I know you. You was talking shit about me and my bantu knots. And he like, well, I wasn't just talking about you like that. I liked you, and that's the reason why I came into your inbox today. And because I wanted to take you out on a date, and I'm glad. I see you done grew up to a nice young woman, girl. What? Guess what I did? Left that nigga on real, okay? Because you ain't about to be talking about my bantu knots and talking about little Shay, baby. You should have learned to come a better way, okay? Periods. Psh, psh, psh. But guess what? I had a nigga buying this wig for his sister, okay? Thank you. Y'all, let me tell you something about me. I do not play about my craft, okay? I don't care if I had beef with you. I don't care if I don't like you. You pay me for something, hunty. What? You was getting a masterpiece. Let me Terminator right there, okay? You know what I'm saying? Thank you. Ooh, y'all like how I cut into that wig, hunty? Yes. So all this does is just cut down the hair and taper it out. And that is nicely framed around her head, y'all. So yes, I'm going to finish cutting into that. Yes, hunty. Let me know if y'all like this story time, okay? Because, yeah, he had me fucked up. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this wig. Y'all, listen, I just picked up her eyelash. Her eyelash keep popping off, y'all. Homegirl can't even keep her eyelashes. I don't know what she doing. Y'all girl, y'all got some trick to glue these damn eyelashes on these mannequins. Drop it in the comments below because I don't know what's going on with homegirl and her one eyelash. Like, she making me look bad, okay? But anywho, I'm done with the wig. Why is it like one piece of hair that I didn't flat iron? Anyways, I ended up flat ironing the hair, which to the right, you'll see, auntie, added some more layers to her to give her some more volume and some more razzle dazzle, baby, okay? Thank you. Love you guys. Bye.